There we go. Now we have sound. Alright, so we're looking at a couple different charts here. So we have the Dow here, Aussie US dollar, Euro US dollar, US dollar yen, and gold to US dollar. Okay, I just took a buy here. Drink of the day is white gummy bear, rain. Good stuff. Let's see, how do my screens look? I haven't adjusted these in a minute. Alright, so that's a little bit cut off right there. Let's see if we can adjust this for you a little bit. What screen is that one? There it is. Looks like our trade is going up. If you could see it, let me see if I can adjust that. Control, no. Oh, Alt maybe? Aha. That's what I want to do. Alright, now you can actually see that trade. You get that back down. Okay, and I'm not going to worry too much about messing around with the stream screens just because I need to... Oh, wrong button. I need to see my charts a little easier, so I'm going to enlarge this one a little bit. That's going to mess up your screens. I am going to have to mess with it. Gosh darn it. Alright, we won that trade on the Aussie. So, if you've been following my channel, I've been doing a lot of back testing, so I'm actually implementing that strategy in the live market now. So I've picked the 5 best pairs so far, which so far the back testing has been the Euro USD, the Dow, Aussie US dollar yen, and gold. But for starters in the live market, I'm not going to worry too much about lot sizes. I'm just going with a 1/10 of a lot, except for on gold. I'm going to do 100th, just because, yeah, any movement on gold lot size is a lot more sensitive, I guess. But I need to adjust some screens here just a little bit. Might have to make the Mustang go away. Oh, that's sad. So we can see some more of that. Make sure I'm not missing any trades. Nope. Alright, how's that look? You know what? That will work. That will work. I can clean it up a little bit later, but you guys can see everything at least. There we go. Yeah, so we're not worrying too much about adjusting the lot size to make it a true 1% risk for every trade. We're just going to do 1/10 of a lot on all of our trades, except for 100th of a lot on gold. I'm not worried about actually making money right now, just more or less worrying about making good trades. Gosh, I feel like I need another screen. I have 4 already. So, this is one screen. This is one screen. This is, you can only see part of this screen, but this is its own screen here, and then this is its own screen. And then underneath this one I have my streaming stuff there. Make sure you guys can hear. Okay, good. Okay, possible trade coming up on the yen if we get this to cross up. This to go up a little bit more. Possible opportunity to go short on the euro here in just a minute maybe. Oh, jeez. Okay. Looks like okay, that's a sell on the euro. So there's that trade. We're still close on the yen. If it goes back up, and we can be getting a trade there. But going for just under 5 pips on the euro here. Sold that one. Seems to be going our way so far. Looks like gold could be setting up for a trade here pretty soon. Aussie as well. Pressures crossed on the Aussie as well as on gold. So now we just need those pressure lines to point up with that bar touching. That's what we're looking for. Looks like our euro trade is being a little stagnant right now. We'd actually be getting a buy on the euro here in just a sec. Alright, the yen is actually not quite giving us a buy. It's close. Alright, so pretty much everything here is super close to giving us a buy. So we might miss a few trades, but we'll take all the ones that we see. Aussie 36. Is it 60? Euro 44. Okay, the euro's giving us a buy. Alright, took that one. Aussie. Where's Aussie? Aussie gave us a buy. Alright, so we have a few trades going at the same time right now. Yen and gold, not quite yet. So here's the Aussie. Euro. I thought we took one on the Dow. No, we did not. We didn't need to. Good. So I actually had a sell and a buy going on the euro at the same time. And then on the Aussie, we're long. Oh, geez. We might be getting another sell signal on the euro. We're getting close in the yen again. Okay. Looking real close to the yen right now. Nope, not quite. Close. The Dow could be getting pretty close here. Alright, looks like we're getting a trade on the yen. Okay. We just bought the yen. There's that. We technically got another sell signal at the same time on the euro. Wasn't quite able to snag that. Let's see. We do already have a sell in that direction though. Would have been nice if we could put in another one in time, but it's okay. We got the buy on the yen, which is right here. Trade's looking pretty good so far. Looks like our euro, one of our euro trades is about to be good. We lost the buy, but it looks like we're about to win the sell. Come on. There we go. Okay, so the only open trade we have now is our yen. Did we miss on the Aussie? Let's see. Alright, nope, technically we did not have a signal, but it was close. Ooh, close to getting a signal on the Dow. Not close enough. Just trying to keep an eye on all my charts. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so about 50% win rate for the day so far. 3 out of 6. And this trade strategy overall, we're looking for about a hopefully over 55% win rate overall. Okay, looks like the yen's starting to move back up where we want it. Closest pair that's setting up for a trade is probably if this goes back up or if this one starts going back up. This one could possibly in just a little bit here. Okay, we have touching the pressure on gold. So we get a decent, pretty big movement up on gold. That could be a trade. Aussie, same thing. If we get a decent movement up there. Looks like the yen is still kind of hanging out where we got in. Okay, the yen is again the Aussie. The Dow is actually setting up right now. Maybe. Yeah? Better get that ready to go. Gold, if this pressure line touches this bar at the post, that would be a buy. As long as this is pointing up at the post on the Dow, that's a buy. Doesn't look like it will on either. Okay, so no and no. We're still in on that yen trade. Still a possibility we could go long on the Dow. Still keeping an eye on that. Let's get some of these. I like having the crosshairs. There we go. Okay, if we get a green bar, going long on the Dow. Oh, that's the euro. Possibly on the Aussie as well. Definitely on the Dow. Okay. And yes, on the Aussie as well. So we just went long on both. Just barely on the Aussie though. Oh, you know what? I normally don't like to get in on bars that look like this, but what can you do? We're in. Was that called a doji or something like that? Star? I don't know. We're actually about to get a sell signal on the yen, which goes against the trade we're already in. Maybe, or not. Okay, so we're actually not. It's good news for the trade that we're already in. Alright, so the two trades that we just got in on are not doing so good yet. Kind of doing the opposite, actually. Alright. Lost the Dow. Lost that trade. We're actually about to getting a sell signal on the Dow. See if it sticks. Yeah. Okay, so we just sold the Dow. Looks like our yen is starting to move up. Our Aussie hasn't quite gotten stopped out, so that's still in. Could be getting another buy on the yen. Keeping an eye on that. If we get a trade on this post, it would be on the yen. Probably not, though. Nope. Five-minute here. Okay, this is our Dow that we sold. It's about halfway there. Yen is looking like it wants to go in our direction. Okay, Dow looks like it's tracing back up. Okay, yen just kind of, the Dow's kind of hanging out where we got in. The Dow went back, the yen went back down, and it's kind of hanging out where we went back in as well. Actually getting short on the yen. Kind of annoying. But we're taking the trades whenever we get the signal. Okay, we're now short and long on the yen. Alright, so basically we are going to lose one of those no matter what. Hopefully we lose one and win one. Okay, look at the Dow again. Chart's looking good for us to go down on the Dow. Looks like we're getting a signal for the Aussie. Pretty soon here. Alright, so we're going to be hopping in on the Aussie, going short. Okay. There's that, so we want that to get down there. Let's see. We actually could get it on the euro as well. Let's see. Yeah, I'll hop in on the euro. Also short. And we're just taking trades right and left here. So the yen looking okay. We did get stopped out on one of those yens. Let's see if it keeps going up and mitigates that last trade that we lost. That'd be good. Looks like it will. Okay, our euro trade. Let's look at the 5 minute. It's not looking bad. The Dow, that trade's looking good. Yen's still moving up. Yen's getting very close actually. Oh, it's getting so close. Get it. Oh. It wants to. If we can get green on top a little bit more here, that would be good news. Oh, no. Looks like it doesn't want it quite yet. Looks like our other trades are tracing back as well. Haven't taken any trades on gold yet, which is interesting. Oh man, these were looking good. What's the yen doing? Yen looks like it wants to so bad. Okay, we're pretty much right where we started on the Dow, the euro. We are short, so we still want this to go down. We're just trusting the process here. That's the yen. Oh, the yen is so close. That 1 minute chart, it's looking good. And the 5 minute, we have a really good post right here. I think I think we get this here in the next bar or so. Get there. Looks like gold could be becoming a thing here pretty soon. Come on, yen, get your butt up there. Maybe if I bump it. See how the Euro's still not looking super great yet. The Dow is still hanging out. Ah, yes, we got filled on the yen. Alright, so we won that one finally. So that one just basically mitigated the loss that we got on that one a couple minutes ago. Let's see if we can... The euro seems very bearish. I guess that's not... Yeah, I mean, that's... I guess it's mostly moving sideways overall. But we do have a lot of red in the echo indicator here, which is, you know, it's going in the direction that we want. Doesn't look like gold wants to play yet. Yeah, Dow is just being boring right now. Yeah, it's not really moving. A bit of a chance we actually get a buy signal on the Dow here. Oh, here we go. Gold looks like it's waking up. 0.9. That would be a pretty small trade. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, Dow's just being boring. We're actually getting possible buy signal on the Aussie. Yeah, that's a buy. So we officially, kind of like on the yen, have a buy and a sell going on the Aussie. Ah, and we missed our trade on the gold. We might still be able to take it. Alright. Oh, apparently we're in on too many trades, so MetaTrader isn't letting us take any more trades until a few of these trades are closed out. Which kind of stinks because the Dow is giving us a buy signal now. Let's see if it'll let us. Oops, that's not the Dow. Oh, it let us go. Interesting. It let us take a trade on gold. Did we get closed out? One of our trades? Aussie. Alright, so again, on the Dow we're long and short at the same time, and same thing on the Aussie. It's funny that it didn't let us take a trade on gold, even though our lot size is literally 100th of a lot. Well, I guess at this point we just... Okay, so we got stopped out on our short trade on the Dow. Now we want it to keep going up so we can get filled with our buy. Last thing we want it to do is to go back down. Like it's currently doing. Aussie, we're still in on both of those. And the thing about our gold trade, I think it actually would have won if it let us in. Oh man, we're gonna get stopped out on both of those. That is worst case scenario. Worst case scenario. Let's see, I want this to go up. Yep. Long on the Aussie. Lozzie. So we're gonna get stopped out on one of those ones. Okay, yeah. Alright, we did get stopped out. Okay, gold still not wanting to play. Alright, we need these to go up. Okay, that's a good, okay looking post. Except the Aussie looks like it's wanting to move back down. Could be getting a possible buy on the yen pretty soon. Not liking that bar on the Aussie. Also not liking this on the Dow. Okay. Could be getting a buy on the yen here. If it goes up a little bit more, maybe. Okay. Just bought the yen. These two trades are still hanging in there. Yen's looking pretty good so far. It's already got halfway. And my little girl looks like she's starting to wake up, so if I have to leave suddenly, that's why. Starting to get grunty. Yen tracing back. Man, so we're just down on all of our trades right now. Looks like there's a good level right here. And the Dow and the Aussie are just kind of not really doing anything. Come on. Alright, we got stopped out on the yen. Gosh dang. Oh man. Gosh, I hate this chop. It's just... it's kind of a scenario. I know this strategy just tend to either get a lot of winning trades in a row or a bunch of losing trades in a row. When it's choppy like that, it looks like it's kind of in a losing cycle right now, which is annoying, especially when this is the first day where we're at implementing this strategy. To start out in a losing cycle. Geez, it almost looks like the Dow wants to give us a sell signal. I'm surprised gold hasn't given us very many signals. Okay, looks like the Aussie's starting to kind of want to move in our direction. There we go. Oh man. I gotta go get my little girl. Let's see. Yeah, nothing's really quite setting up. I'll be back. Alright, we're back, and I got my little girl. Alright, how are we doing on our trades? Okay, Dow's still down. Aussie looks like it's starting to want to go up. And it looks like... Yeah, looks like the Dow is almost giving us a sell signal, another one. Opposite of the buy trade that we're already in. The yen's also getting close to giving us a buy. Gold still. Ooh. Alright, there's a buy on the yen. So we're, oh gosh, and it starts going back down immediately. Yeah, this is just so choppy. I don't like how choppy this is. Still in on the Aussie and Dow trades. Long on both of those. Still going. If we could just break through this level on the yen, I'm sure it would want to keep going. Yeah, longer term trend on the yen is definitely going up, so if it breaks through, I'm sure it'll want to keep going. We probably just got stopped on the Dow. Yep, got stopped on the Dow. Man, for 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, we're not having a good day so far. We're definitely losing a lot more than we're winning right now. Alright, looks like gold is getting a little more active here. Let's see if it actually lets us take this trade. That is so weird. It's not letting us take any trades on gold. I mean, we do have 2 open trades, but going for 1/100th of a lot. That's interesting. The yen's going against us. Aussie's just kind of hanging out. Gosh, I'm finding it hard to believe that we're getting so many losers here. It's just so choppy. This strategy is not great in the chop. She's very sideways market today. Yeah, we're literally just hanging out where we got in on the Aussie here. Gosh, I would sure like to win a few trades before our trading session's over. Man, got stopped out on the yen. Gracious, we were having a hard time winning some trades today. On the bright side, oh, just kidding. I was gonna say the Aussie's looking like it's moving up as it moves down. That is a big bearish bar too. Very big, ugly bar. Oh, man, are we on the Dow? Nope, it was not a sell. It was close. Doesn't look like we really have anything setting up here. I don't think we're gonna win this one. It's pretty much been the day. Okay, we're actually getting a sell on the euro. Possibly. No, it's too close. Geez, what time did we get in on this, Aussie? We've been in it for almost a half hour. I mean, whatever signal we took to get in is obviously no longer valid, so we're just kind of hoping and praying at this point. Gosh, and we it's giving us another buy signal, it looks like, possibly. Gosh, which I hate to do at this point. Alright, yep. There. It gave us a buy signal, so we're taking our trades whenever we get the signal. As ugly as it may seem. Hopefully that second signal is just enough to actually get this to move. Alright, so we got 2 trades going along here. So we especially want this to go up. Looks like there may have been a long trade on the euro as well at the same time. Which is probably, if I saw it, I would have rather have taken that one than this one. I've had a little bit more luck with the euro today. Yeah, as the Aussie starts going back down. Something's got to give here. This is... Look at that. That's the 5-minute chart. That is ugly. 15-minute chart's just as ugly. Half-hour chart. 1 hour. I'm getting a signal on the gold, possibly. Nah. I mean, maybe. I don't even think it would let me take it anyway. Trader's funny with gold. And as of right now, we are losing both of these Aussie trades. Really would like those to get up. Oh gosh. I'm getting a buy signal on the yen. You know it hasn't been a good trading day when you don't want to take the trade when you get a signal. Okay, we're long. Oh, geez, did we get stopped out on our Aussie? We sure did. Alright, we lost one, but we're in on another. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, just kidding. I was looking at the yen. No, we're still in there. They're both losing still. Here's our yen. We just went long. Oh, man. Everything is choppy, though. Could be getting a signal here. If these end up touching. Oh, they're close. And that is a no trade. How's our Aussie doing? Okay, we did get stopped out on One of those. Probably get stopped out on both. That's just how the day's been going today. Yen is up so far, but there has just been this level that the yen has not been a fan of getting past in the last few trades we've taken. It looks like it wants to, though. If we can get a post above all this crap. I mean, we're a little over 2 minutes away from that, so who knows? Let's see, this is our yen chart right here, this top one. Man, we've lost like every trade we've taken today. All but 3, I think. Yeah, it's bonking its head on this level. It's not loving it. It's having a real hard time breaking through. Dow is really moving. That's a sell. Alright, we're short on the Dow. Which, this actually looks pretty decent. There's not really anything holding us back from going down to exactly where our take profit is. This little girl's actually being very content, relatively. Okay, yen still halfway there. Looks like it's gonna post above this mess, which is really good news. Very, very good signal for us. It might, I mean, maybe it traces back and bounces off of that. At least hopefully it would. Hopefully it just keeps going. This is our short sell on the Dow. Oh, you are being so good. Looks like the yen's moving. Hey, there we go. We won one, guys. We did it. We did it. So this strategy, by the way, back testing. Again, this is just a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and back testing we've taken probably at least 800 trades, and it's getting, around 55% depending on the pair. So this I imagine is just, and this is something I've noticed during back testing when we have really bad, let's see, like just choppy markets. It tends to either just win every trade in choppy markets or just loses every trade in choppy markets, depending on where the signals are in that chop cycle. And so it's been a very sideways choppy market today, and it looks like it was just kind of on the losing frequency of the chop. But yeah, overall this should be a profitable strategy based off of the tons of back testing I've done. Just been choppy. So we basically lost pretty much all of our trades essentially today. We'll tally it up. So our trading time for this strategy that we've been back testing has been from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So an hour and a half. And so 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes from now, we're gonna stop looking at taking trades and call it a day. We'll let our current trades run, ones that we're already in. It doesn't look like we're going to be getting any signals here anyway. The Dow is looking like it might kind of want to, but hopefully it just bounces off of this pressure. Typically this pressure basically acts like support and resistance. So hopefully it bounces back down, or it's just going to go up and we're going to get stopped out here. Yep. Oh man, that's just how it goes. That's how it's going today. Gosh. We're actually going to get a buy signal. Maybe. Looks like we may. It's a possibility. Nope, it doesn't look like we will. Most likely not. Nope. Man, we are just losing everything though. Wow. It's a good thing I did really small lot sizes starting this strategy, because today would have been very, very bad if we'd actually risked 1%. Alright, we're almost done with our session. Doesn't look like we're going to be getting anything, so let's tally our results, which I'm sure were very bad. So total trades, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, little girl. Getting cranky. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 trades. We won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, that's not good. So, wow, 25% win rate. So yeah, like I said, normally this, with our back testing, we'd be getting closer to 55, give or take. But yeah, today's just a very sideways market, and maybe we, in the future, take into account if the market's looking choppy, just to stay away from it. But yeah, if we were risking 1% for all those trades, we would be down 15%. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Alright, well, I gotta go. That's the end of the training session. She's getting upset, so we're gonna call it. We'll see you later.